As you can see, the Watergate barrier can be rolled out around a whole property or site which needs to be protected from flooding. The barrier is easily rolled out and then will deploy itself. As the water rises, the barrier rises, preventing the property from flooding. It removes the need for civil works with expensive flood walls and takes up minimal storage space. After use, it can just be rinsed, left to dry, and then rolled up and stored, ready for any future flooding. As shown in the video, other properties are underwater, but why? They will have to suffer the upheaval, expense, and distress flooding causes. The Watergate can prevent all of this. Having the Watergate provides not only a great flood defence, but also peace of mind.